This is our wine list, ma'am. Please take a look. We have some amazing local wines, and of course we have all the classic French, Italian wines. What kind of wine would you like to?
I prefer French wines.
French wines? French wines are right here. Take a look, and of course, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to assist you with that.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Did you make a choice?
Not yet. I cannot choose between two wines. Can you make me a suggestion?
Yeah, I would love to. First of all, what kind of taste of wine you like? Would you like to be something really heavy, something like a medium body wine? Would you like some barrique or just a fruity wine?
I prefer full body wines, a little bit barrique, something like this.
Yeah, wonderful. So I would suggest this Bordeaux wine. It's 2019. It's not too heavy, but it's still full body wine. Very light barrique. At the same time, it's fruity, so you have perfect balance. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it.
Okay, I'll go for it.
Wonderful. Let me take this away and I will be right back with your wine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, Vin de Bordeaux, 2019. Like I said, full body, not too heavy, very light barrique.
Very well.
Enjoy.